Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class. So today in this video, I will talk about greetings and responses for students of grade 7. Let's start it. What is greeting? Greetings are the expression that is almost always used by the people when they meet someone, either known or unknown people. The greeting is usually used at the beginning of a conversation. Before starting the main topic, people generally use greeting. Jadi, secara singkat, greeting adalah ungkapan-ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menyapa orang. If you meet someone, you would say, "Hi, hello, good morning, how are you?" and then etc. These are examples of expression of greeting. The next one is the form of greetings. The form of greeting can be varied, such as formal greetings and informal greeting. There are two forms of greetings. The first is formal greeting. Formal greeting are greetings that can be used when we are in a formal situation. For example, at meeting, presentation, and then etc. The second is informal greeting. Informal greetings are greetings that can be used when we are in a relaxed situation. For example, when meeting friends at a rest, during holiday, and then etc. Jadi, bentuk ungkapan sapaan itu ada dua bentuk. Yang pertama, greeting formal atau ungkapan sapaan secara formal yang biasanya lebih umum digunakan, misalnya saat melakukan meeting, presentasi, dan saat bertemu pertama kali dengan seseorang atau menyapa orang yang lebih tua. Yang kedua, informal greeting. Bentuk informal greeting bisa digunakan sebagai ungkapan atau sapaan kepada teman sebaya kamu atau yang sudah akrab. Now, these are formal greeting experience. Berikut ini adalah contoh-contoh ungkapan sapaan formal yang bisa kalian gunakan. The first expression there is hello. You can answer hello. Good morning. You can answer good morning. How are you? You can answer I'm fine, thank you. How do you do? You can answer how do you do. The last, nice to meet you. You can answer nice to meet you. The next this is the explanation for the use of good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jadi, good morning digunakan dari jam 12 malam sampai dengan jam 12 siang. Good afternoon digunakan dari setelah jam 12 siang sampai dengan jam 6 malam. Good evening digunakan dari jam 6 malam sampai dengan jam 12 malam. The last, good night, digunakan untuk mengucapkan selamat berpisah atau selamat tidur. Then, we discuss about the difference of using EM and PM di Indonesia menggunakan jam sistem 24 jam. Sedangkan di Inggris atau Amerika menggunakan sistem 12 jam dengan menggunakan EM dan PM untuk membedakan malam dan siang. The first, PM, post meridian, dari jam 12 siang sampai dengan jam 12 malam. The second is EM, ante meridian, dari jam 12 malam sampai dengan jam 12 siang. Okay, the next is there are informal greeting expression. The first expression is what's up. You can answer pretty well or not much. How is it going? You can answer, it is going well. Good to see you. You can answer, good to see you too. What's you with you? You can answer, nothing much. The last, howdy. You can answer, awesome. Okay, the next is example of greeting in conversation dialogue. Okay, the next is practice. Let's practice class.